Hello and welcome to Leamington Trains app, and today we're at Leamington Spa on the Chiltern Mainline. Down there is 220.006 that brought me in with a cross-country service from Banbury here to Leamington Spa. It's actually working from Southampton Central to Newcastle. So you can be services by cross-country, Chiltern Railways, and I'm sure various freight as well. And you never know, London Midland might make an appearance, but we shall have to wait and see. Came here once before last year and I thoroughly enjoyed it, albeit under slightly more favourable weather conditions. It is very, very windy here today, and the weather is currently hit and miss. It has just been throwing it down on the journey to here, so I'm hoping that I've avoided most of the bad weather. So let's see what else shall turn up. Okay, our first run of the day is going to be the 1358 Chiltern Railways service to Birmingham Snow Hill. (168.005). Okay, 168.005 is up ready to depart with the 1358 Chiltern Railways service to Birmingham Snow Hill. Okay, now pulling in is a CrossCountry Voyager service bound for Manchester Piccadilly. It's one of the 220 Voyagers. I'll get the numbers upon her departure. And down there will be a Chiltern Railways service bound for London Marylebone. Taken longer than I first thought, I must admit.
On train, go! Passenger train, 2 coaches again.
Yeah. Well, are they normally 2
This is
coaches,
a
are they?
terminating service here at Leamington Spa. 165014. I'll be working the little shuttle services from Birmingham Moor Street.
That's the local one, is
Just about ready to go. Two 220.023.
How far do you travel to sort of do?
Okay, and the next train to is the heavily delayed 1400 cross-country service to Reading. 220.013. Okay, the heavily delayed 1400 cross-country service to Reading is about ready to depart. I really do wish this wind would let up. Okay, and the next train up is another CrossCountry Voyager service. This is another one of those heavily delayed services. And to believe it's bound for Bournemouth. It's 220.014. Okay, 220.014 is getting ready to depart this cross-country service to Bournemouth. And the next train setup is the 1427 Chiltern Railways Silver service to Birmingham Moor Street. $68.011. Okay, 68.11 is about ready to propel its service to Birmingham Moor Street. With 82305 on the rear. If I can get my words out. Okay, 165-014 is now departing with the Chiltern Railways service Birmingham Moor Street. It's with the 1432 service. Okay, the next train turned up is a Chiltern Railways service bound for London Marylebone. It's 168-107. Okay, 168-107 is about ready to go. Okay, now passing by is a Deutsche Bahn Schenker Class 66.
Sorry.
It's all good, that's alright. Be a Southampton Hollywood train. It's the Jaguar one, so this will be hauling Land Rovers. (66.075). I think this is the empty train.
That's forgotten it.
And now also coming is a CrossCountry Voyager service. This one is also bound for Bournemouth. (220.003). Sorry, 220.033. See you later. Will do. Okay, 220.033 is getting ready to depart with this cross-country service bound for Bournemouth. Okay, the next train to turn up is the 1446 Chiltern Railways service to London Marylebone. 168112. Okay, the 1446 Chiltern Railways service is now departing. Okay, and the next train to turn up is the 1450 cross-country service to Newcastle Central. Okay, the 1450 cross-country service to Newcastle is getting ready to depart. Two 220.025 is down in the distance, is going to be a Freightliner class 66. (66.516). Right then, and the next train stand up is a Network Rail MPV working the RHTT for the Chiltern Mainline. It's DR 98908. Much better shot of it. Okay, and down there is going to be a CrossCountry Voyager service, presumably bound for Southampton Central. It's one of their super Voyagers. Two 221-132. And down there is another Chiltern Railways service. We're bound for Birmingham Moor Street. It's another one of their 168s. I'll get the numbers upon her departure. Okay, she is getting ready to depart. It's 168215. It's actually bound for Birmingham Snow Hill. And away she goes. Okay, and the next train to turn up is a Deutsche Bahn Schenker 66 working the Haylerwood Southampton cars. This will be the loaded set. $66,149. As here's 66,713 for GBRF. Forest City. And the next train to turn up is another Chiltern Railways service. This will be terminating here at Leamington Spa. (165.010). Next train turn up is the delayed 1514 cross-country service to Manchester Piccadilly. Looks like it's one of their super Voyagers, so I got the number upon her departure. Okay, she's getting ready to depart. (221127). Okay, the next train turn up is the delayed 1522 Chiltern Railways service to London Marylebone. It's 168216. Okay, she's on the move. Okay, and the next train to turn up is also the heavily delayed 1525 Chiltern Railways service to Birmingham Moor Street. Okay, the 1525 is about ready to go. We should then be followed by the 1532 to Stratford-upon-Avon. This is 168113. Okay, and about ready to depart should be 165010 with the 1532 Chiltern Railways service to Stratford-upon-Avon. Okay, here is 22008 working a cross-country service to Bournemouth. Then we have a Collars Class 70 working an engineer's train. '7805. Wave for the driver there, thank you very much. Okay, the next train to turn up is 168005 for Chiltern Railways, working a service to London Marylebone. our final train of the day is going to be a Freightliner class 66 working a Southampton to Trafford Park service as the rain starts to come down again. (66.503). Also, she's carrying a nameplate, so I'll get that one as well. It's the Railway magazine. Well, as she continues onwards towards Manchester, I shall leave it there. Thank you all very much for watching, it is greatly appreciated. Apologies for the wind disruption throughout. I've tried my best to cover the mic where possible to avoid the wind, trying to distill the video. So I can only hope it's worked, but if it hasn't, I do apologise. But if you do like what you see today, then please do like and subscribe. Feel free to have a comment, I do go back to them as and when I get the opportunity to. My next station is going to be Rugby on the West Coast Main Line. I haven't been there for about a year and a half now, so it'd be nice to go back and hopefully catch a great variety of freight along with the regular EMUs and DMUs that will be passing by. But as always, if you have any tracks of locations or stations you'd like me to go to, then please do let me know, and I shall endeavour to do my very best to getting around to those for you, as a drop of water has just slid down the actual lens itself. So until next time, I shall see you all later. Goodbye.